So here we are with the purifresh without the sound muffler on low, and still 57.1 decibels, which is pretty close to what it was before. So I don't know what's going on there. Probably most of the noise is from the conduction of the window. Again, this is 1 meter away from the center of the face of the unit, measured with that measuring tape. .9 or something, about right. So it's not a whole lot. I mean, it's quieter on maximum power if you put the muffler on. That was a significant reduction, but it doesn't seem to help a whole lot on the low power. Probably just most of the noise is going around the muffler on low power. So anyway, see if I can make it so that you can hear what the grinding noise is like. It's really not going to happen. No, that's probably not going to work.